Welcome to Ecwid. In this video, I will show you how to try Ecwid for free. If you want to try Ecwid for free, then click the link in the description below. Once you are on the homepage, click the Get Started for Free button. Enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Then click on Step Up Your Store. Add your store name. Select country. Select currency. And click on Next. Add your city and postal code here. And click on Next. Now tell Ecwid about your experience. What type of product will you be selling? And tells about the store. Are you building a store for yourself or for a client? Then click on Next. Tells about whether you have a website or not. If you don't have a website, then Ecwid will create one for you for free. Then click on Next. Once you have completed these steps, you'll have a free Ecwid store that you can start customizing and adding products to. Thanks for watching our video.